Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix replaced game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen, crash at startup or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. And the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and here click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if it's worked. If it still doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list, but before that, first search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So search for the game. If you cannot find the game, you can click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Windows update option, click on check for updates and wait for some time. Once your Windows is updated to the latest version, now launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it, wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game once again and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall replaced game once again and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix replaced game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.